Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 11:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're looking at a beautiful run up here in price. Great 30-minute gap strategy day on this unfilled gap. If I scrunch this data up, you can see that this gap from Friday, nice move up into the 108 mark we saw, and 30 minutes later, nice little pullback in this area, and then a run up in price, consolidation, and another breakout at 108.60. So, markets are actually doing really well, exactly into the resistances that we had talked about previously. Let me remove some of this pre and post market data so we can talk about this easier. So here is that. Hang on a second. So with that pre and post market data removed, this nice move above the 108 mark, past all this resistance, running right up into the round number of 109 now, and this swing high back in here. So this is a 30-minute or 60-minute chart, and you can see all that. Again, on a narrower time frame, that number still exists, the 109. We're losing momentum now on declining volume. Doesn't mean that we can't chop around and consolidate just below 109 and then break out of that, but I'm being very careful now about how I mark the swing high that's inevitably going to come at some point, unless we do have a pure breakout like we did at 108.60, in which case that would be another ascending triangle or a high base consolidation. But again, some fantastic support now in here at this unfilled gap. That is brought to you by the G20 pledge to 8 economies, so some good news in here helping to do that. The trend is at a nice 0.4, which is fantastic, and the trend Q is at a 0.63, so just a tiny bit above 0.8 right at the open, and the VIX is also dropping now again, so just one little spike up here, interestingly enough, right around 11:30, but right back down, making a bit of a higher swing low right now as we lose momentum. So let's see what 11:30 brought us, and that was right through here. So when I see something like that, that makes me want to be a little bit more careful again about how I want to trade long after a move like this, and just one little eye-catching feature there. So right now, anyway, all the broad market internals shoring up this move to the upside and pointing towards some more potential over the next few days. But on a short time frame like this, we do need to watch out for a swing high in here, or at least a consolidation. That's what we're seeing right now, just below 109. So good stuff. Stay tuned for D7's video coming up here toward the close, and hope you're having a great trading day, especially off a great pattern like this. Talk to you soon.